Hello my dear ones, how are you all? Fine? Okay, welcome back again to writing session of e-learning class, and today you all can see here what we are going to learn. Which new two letters we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn U and V. We are going to learn cursive capital U and V. So, are you all ready? Very good. I know you all have become very good and started writing, and writing also in a very good and neat handwriting. Children, you all have to practice more and more, study well and keep writing all the cursive small letters and cursive capital letters also. Okay, so let's move ahead. This is cursive capital U. What it is? Cursive capital U. You have to see, write like this, cursive capital U. So, U for umbrella, U for unicorn. This is cursive capital U and this is cursive small u. Now, we will first trace and learn to write cursive capital U. So, are you all ready for it? Very good. Ready? So, be careful, look carefully how Miss is writing cursive capital U. Starting from up, make a curve out, go down, then go up, then on the same line come down and make a small curve out, cursive capital U. Again we will see small curve out, down, up, on the same line come down and then small curve out, cursive capital U. Look carefully children how my hand is moving. Small curve from out, come down, again go up, on the same line come down and then small curve out, cursive capital U. Again small curve out, come down, go up, on the same line come down and small curve out, cursive capital U. And see children, I have written without lifting a pencil or hand. So, you all have to follow this method only. See, if you write like this, it will be wrong. So, this is wrong. Okay, so you have to follow this method. Starting from here, come down, go up, on the same line come down, small curve out. Be careful, look carefully children, down, go up, on the same line, come down, make a curve out. Starting from here, come down, go up, on the same line, small curve out. Starting here, come down, go up, on the same line come down, small curve out, cursive capital U. Now, we will learn to write in 4-line page. You all have to write from the right side of the margin. This is the margin. You should not write from this side. You all have to write from the right side of the margin and write the date on the top. Now be careful how Miss is writing. Starting from top red line, we'll make a small curve. Then we'll come down to the second blue line, go up to the red line. On the same line, come down to the second blue line. Then small curve out. Cursive capital U. Again, starting from top red line, make a small curve out. Come down to the second blue line, go up to the red line. On the same line, come down to the second blue line and small curve out. Cursive capital U. Again, starting from first red line, make a small curve, come down to second blue line, go up to the red line. On the same line, come down to the second blue line and then small curve out. Again, starting from red blue line on top, come down to second blue line, go up to red line. On the same line, come down, small curve out. Cursive capital U. Be careful, your writing should not go out of the red line like this. It should not be, otherwise it will be wrong. This is the wrong formation. And if you write like this also, then it is also wrong. Be careful how Miss has written in the first line. You have to follow this method. Again, starting from here, red line on top, come down to the second blue line, go up to the red line. On the same line, come down, small curve out. Again, see how my hand is moving. Cursive capital U. Again, starting from first red line, make a curve, come down to second blue line, go up to the red line. On the same line, come down and small curve out. Cursive capital U. Cursive capital U. Like this you have to write cursive capital U. Now our next letter is V. Cursive capital V. You all can see here some pictures related to cursive capital V. V for vase, V for van, V for vulture. This is cursive capital V. Let's move ahead and learn to write cursive capital V. First we will trace and then we will write in 4-line page. So look carefully. Slanting line out, then you have to come down, top, then small curve out. Cursive capital V. Small slanting line, then come down, go up and then turn outside, small curve. Cursive capital V. See carefully how Miss is moving hand. You all have to write like this. Cursive capital V. Small slanting line, come down, go up, then turn inside and outside small curve. Cursive capital V. And children, be careful, without lifting your hand and pencil you have to write. This is the wrong method to write cursive capital V. Yes, you all have to follow how Miss is writing without lifting hand and pencil. Go up, small curve inside and then out, small curve. Cursive capital V. Look carefully children. Slanting line, then down, go up and then small curve out. Cursive capital V. Now we will write in 4-line book. So be careful, look carefully how Miss is writing. You all have to follow the lines. Your writing should not go out of red line or blue line. Write in neat and clean handwriting. So starting from first blue line here, make a slanting line till first red line, then come down till the second blue line, go up to the red line and then curve out. Cursive capital V. Again, starting from first blue line, make a small slanting line till the first red line, come down to the second blue line, go up to the red line, small curve out. Cursive capital V. Again, starting from first blue line, go up to the red line, come down to second blue line, go up to the red line, turn out. Cursive capital V. Be careful in writing children. Starting from this first blue line, go up to the red line, come down to the blue line, again go up to the red line and curve out. Cursive capital V. Be careful, your writing should not be like this. It is wrong. Okay, see how Miss has written. Okay, you have to write like this in these 3 lines only. First red line, second blue line and third blue line. You all have to write like this. You write without lifting the pencil or hand. See, like this also is the wrong method. Okay, see how Miss is writing without lifting hand and pencil. Start from first blue line, up to the red line, down to the second blue line, go up to the red line, turn out. Again, start from second blue line, top red line, down to second blue line, up to the red line, small turn out. Cursive capital V. Be careful how Miss is writing. You all have to follow this method only. These 2 methods are wrong. So be careful in writing and follow the method which I am teaching you. Now we learnt cursive capital U and V, and today we are going to learn joining of 3 letters. You all are practicing to write 3 letters. So now let's learn today 3 letters F, H, I. You all have already learned cursive small letters. So now be careful, see carefully how Miss is writing. You all have to write like this only. We will write joining letters, 3 letters. First is F, F, I. How Miss has written without lifting pencil? Join H with F and I with H. F, H, I. Slowly and carefully you all have to write. See, first write cursive small f, then H, and then I. F, H, I. This is for your writing practice. You can write I, H, and F. Yes, this is also correct. It will improve your writing practice. I, H, F. Yes, and see children, without lifting your hand, first you write F, then you write H, and then you write I. It is the wrong way. Without lifting your pencil or hand, you have to write. In continuation, you have to write C, F, then H, and then I. F, H, I. Like this you all have to write joining of 3 letters. I hope you all understood how you all have to write cursive capital U and cursive capital V. And with that what we learned? Yes, we learned joining of 3 letters F, H, I. Children, write slowly and neatly in your cursive capital book, cursive capital U and V. And in your other 4-line book, you all have to write joining of 3 letters which I have taught you. Bye and have a good day.